Hello everyone and welcome back to Simon's Watch Review. I'm very excited about this new G-Shock release because it's going to be the first watch with a step tracker and Bluetooth connectivity to be featured on this channel. Today, let me present to you my review of the features, design and functionalities of the Casio GD-B500, including its pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. At first glance, the Casio GD-B500 makes a bold impression with its sleek and futuristic design. It feels like it is straight out of a sci-fi action movie, perhaps a gadget from Star Trek, Terminator, or a wearable device for time travelers. It is very compact and slim, resembling a super upgraded version of the classic W800H. Currently, there are only a few variants available, and this one is the GD-B500 with a black case and negative display. This color combination gives it a minimalist charm that's both modern and stylish. In terms of dimensions, the GD-B500 is not what you would normally expect from the usual G-Shock. It measures 46.3mm lug to lug, 41.5mm wide, 11mm thick, and surprisingly lightweight at just 45 grams. Looking at the thickness of the resin band, I guessed it should contribute much to the total weight. And yes, about 13.5 grams or roughly 30% is from the strap set. I don't have any exact reference, but from my experience, this better weight distribution will help for it to be comfortable for all-day wear. It has a reliable water resistance rating of 200 meters, meaning the GD-B500 is ready to accompany you on water-related activities. The battery life, powered by a CR2016 battery, will last for approximately 2 years. While not very long, this is acceptable considering it has Bluetooth connectivity. However, it is worth noting that despite what the Casio website says, it does not support solar charging. The watch features a glass fiber reinforced resin case, providing both durability and a lightweight feel, with extra strength without compromising on aesthetics. The display is protected by mineral glass, which is scratch resistant. The case and bezel combination not only enhance the watch durability, but also gives it a rugged appeal. The protruding bezel not only protects the crystal, but also gives the watch a distinctive look. The Casio GD-B500 features 4 buttons that are positioned intuitively and easy to access, with option to silent the button operation. The case provides button guards with an ingenious design, protruding more at the rear side, minimizing accidental pushes while still being very easy to operate from the front. The futuristic button design adds to the overall aesthetic. One thing that Casio could have done better is giving it a textured surface and a different color for the backlight button. On the backside, we can find a stainless steel backplate securely fastened with 4 screws, providing a secure seal to protect the internal components from water, moisture, and dust. It is engraved with essential information such as the model name, module code, water resistance level, and even serial number. A simple check shows that this unit that I have was made in February 2024. The strap design of the GD-B500 consists of connectors, resin bands, a buckle, and keeper. The connector, which for this variant has a unique texture, is fastened to the watch case using some kind of 24mm spring bar, and then to the resin band using a 16mm spring bar. The spring bar is positioned inside and can be released by pushing pinholes on the sides. The resin bands are quite thick but still flexible, making them comfortable to wear. One thing that I would expect from Casio is making the connector to a 20mm strap, which would open many possibilities and choices for watch straps. However, there is one thing to note about the bands, and that is the keeper loop, which looks quite tiny. I hope it will last long enough. Next, this could be the most important thing to take note about this model. The negative display of the GD-B500 variants, while looking stylish, may pose some challenges in terms of legibility, especially in lower lighting conditions. Also, the digit size could be larger for improved visibility. Okay, the negative display performance is not my favorite part, but the LED backlight, on the other hand, is very impressive. It provides excellent visibility in low light conditions, equipped with afterglow options of 1.5 and 3 seconds. And the best part is, You can also activate the auto backlight for improved legibility, although it will deactivate after 6 hours. The GD-B500 offers a wide range of features and modes to suit your needs, from timekeeping to stopwatch, timer, dual time, and alarm functions. So let's take a look one by one. Here is the timekeeping function of the GD-B500. In the default view, it shows day, time, and date, which features a full auto calendar. You can change the view to the step tracker by pressing the adjust button. You can also connect to your smartphone to synchronize the time if it is already paired using the search button. And after pairing, you can also activate the auto time synchronization that will make sure your watch is accurate all the time. We will cover the settings and also the Bluetooth connection pairing in a separate video. By the way, one of the fun features to me is the phone finder. It's so useful. And then the stopwatch feature allows us to track elapsed time with precision, perfect for timing workouts or other activities. During stopwatch use, the GD-B500 displays the time in two lines. The middle one shows the lap time, while the bottom one shows the split time. When using the stopwatch as usual, both run similarly, but when you use it for split time, that's when it's really useful. The lap time will show its snapshot for up to 8 seconds before continuing the running time. The next mode is the recall mode that will show stopwatch records from previous usage. This mode will be useful for sport enthusiasts like runners or cyclists, but frankly, I'm not really using it. And then the next one is the countdown timer. The range is up to 60 minutes with set increments in minutes and seconds. This range might not be enough for some users, and it's also worth noting that it lacks the auto repeat features. But anyway, it's still useful for me, and as a side note, in this mode, the current time is shown at the bottom of the display. Next is the dual time mode, which lets you keep track of two different time zones simultaneously, making it ideal for frequent travelers or anyone who needs to stay connected with friends or family in different time zones. As a side note, also in this mode, the current time is shown at the bottom of the display. Okay, moving on to the next mode, and that is the alarms. This watch has 5 alarms and an hourly signal. They are not multifunction alarms, not snooze alarms, or one-time alarms, but however, these features will make the GD-B500 very helpful for you to run through your daily schedule. As a side note, in this mode, the current time is also shown at the bottom of the display. And here is another highlight point for this model, the Bluetooth connectivity. The GD-B500 can be paired with your smartphone, allowing you to receive time synchronization and even auto time synchronization, also control the settings like alarm and so on from your smartphone, and monitor the step tracker data on your smartphone, perfect for checking the step and calorie count. However, it does not provide full connectivity like a smartwatch that shows you emails, calls, and so on, making it a middle ground for those of you who want enough convenience but don't want 24/7 connectivity to the cloud or internet. And also, with this feature design, you don't need to recharge the watch. It uses a battery that will last for 2 years. The setting interface of the GD-B500 is intuitive and easy to navigate, whether you're adjusting the time, setting alarms, or customizing other preferences. For most parts, you can use the light button and search button to decrease and increase the value. And it's even easier with the smartphone apps. Things to note are, the display is a negative display, making it less legible for its operations. And then, the recall mode is not for everyone. And as of now, I cannot find any menu to set summer daylight saving except from the smartphone. And now, another big point for this watch. In terms of comfort, the GD-B500 grips the wrist well, especially those with a wrist size of around 7 inches like mine. The lightweight construction and comfortable resin bands and also good weight distributions make it suitable for extended wear. It also will easily slide under long sleeves. Okay, let's continue with the summary of the pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, it is stylish and futuristic design. Number 2, it has durable materials and construction. And then it has a wide range of features and functions, including step tracker. And then it has Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration. It is very comfortable to wear. And then number 6, it has a cool phone finder feature. On the other side, there are also things to consider. Number 1, the legibility of the negative display is not the best. And then number 2, the digit size could be larger for easier reading. Number 3, it lacks of an auto repeat feature for the timer. And then there are no daylight saving time setting option on the watch itself. And I hope Casio can add this feature on the next firmware release. And number 5, currently it has limited color variants. But as usual, Casio will release new colors for their successful models. In conclusion, the Casio GD-B500 offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and comfort. Its durable construction, wide range of features, and Bluetooth connectivity make it versatile for daily wear. While it also has some drawbacks, such as the legibility of the display and lack of certain advanced features, the overall package is impressive. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or hustling through the urban jungle, this is the watch that's ready to accompany you every step of the way. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sam's Watch Review for more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and watch-related content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day.